Hi, I'm Molly with the Clayful Co. I'm going to teach you how to make two-toned color block polymer clay earrings. Start by rolling out your two colors of clay and make sure they are equal depths. Using a tissue blade, create a straight edge along one side of each color of clay. Next, align the two straight edges by pushing the two pieces of clay together. You'll want to make them as close as possible without overlapping the pieces of clay. Next, use a roller to connect the two pieces of clay. You'll need to roll out in both directions quite a bit in order to connect these two pieces of clay. Because you'll be rolling it out so much, you might want to start with a little bit thicker pieces of clay than you usually would work with. Keep rolling in both directions until you feel like the two pieces of clay are fully connected. You can test this out by trying to lift the piece of clay near the seam. If they come apart easily, they are not connected enough. Try to keep that center line as straight as possible. You'll see in mine there are a few spots towards the middle that are a little uneven, and that's okay if that happens in yours. We will work around it. This next step is totally optional. I'm going to use a low grit of sandpaper and run it over my piece of clay to give it more of that textured look. Next, use your clay cutters to cut out the shapes you'd like. I'm using ours from the Clayful Co. These cutters are also found in our DIY polymer clay starter kit, so if you're interested in making clay earrings and don't already have this kit, this is a great place to start. Next, decide where you want your two-toned line to be. You can choose to do it right in the middle or really anywhere in your piece. You could do it diagonally, you could do it a third of the way, really whatever you prefer. When you're cutting out your shapes, you can avoid those areas in your line that are a little bit wavy. Once you've finished cutting out all your shapes, you can pull up your remaining clay. The nice thing about this technique is that with your scraps, it's pretty easy to separate the original colors back in two just by cutting down the middle, or you can mix them all together and form a new color. And there you have it. That's how you make color block polymer clay earrings. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more tips and tricks on this YouTube channel. All of the tools found in this video and more are found on our website, theclayfulco.com. Thanks for watching and supporting our small business.